Good morning, dear students. In the academic year 2020-21, I, Professor Sanjay Phalambe, welcome to all the students who have been passed in the SYBA and enrolled in the TYBA. Friends, as you all know that due to COVID-19 pandemic, you are unable to join the classroom. And the entire system has been collapsed. But we have to find out the way and we have to move on as per the guidelines of UGC and Savitribai Phule University Pune. In the academic year 2020-21, the prescribed syllabus for English compulsory is I am going to share with you in this very first lecture. The syllabus for the TYBA compulsory English, the text prescribed is Literary Pinnacles. Before dealing with the syllabus itself, I would like to mention the objectives of framing the syllabus. What are the objectives behind framing this syllabus for your compulsory English? Objective first is to introduce students to the best uses of language in literature. Objective second is to familiarize students with the communicative power of English. Third objective is to enable students to become competent users of English in real life situations. Next objective is to expose students to varied cultural experiences through literature. And the last objective behind framing this syllabus is to contribute to the overall personality development by improving their communicative and soft skills. These are some of the objectives behind framing the syllabus. Now, we will deal with the course content. As I earlier said you, the prescribed text for TYBA compulsory English is Literary Pinnacles, edited by Board of Editors, Orient Blackswell. In course content, there are 4 components. Beg pardon, there are 2 components. Number first is literature component and number 2 is language component. In literature component, there are 2 sections. Section first is prose section and section second is poetry section. At first, we will look at prose section. In prose section, there are 8 prose written by different writers from the different countries. Prose first, Uncle Podger Hangs a Picture is written by Jerome K. Jerome. Prose second, How Wealth Accumulates and Men Decay is written by George Bernard Shaw, that is G.B. Shaw. Prose third is written by Prose third, Retrieved Information is written by Jimmy Valentine. Prose 4, How Much Land Does a Man Need is written by Leo Tolstoy. Prose 5th, On the Rule of the Road is written by A.G. Gardiner. Prose 6th, Pleasure of Ignorance is written by Robert Land. Prose 7, The Selfish Giant is written by Oscar Wilde. And the prose 8, The Diamond Necklace is by Guy D. Mashpat. This is the prose section for your syllabus in the academic year 2020-21 in compulsory English. Now, second section, that is poetry. In poetry section, we have to study 8 poems. Poem first is All the Words a Stage is written by William Shakespeare. Prose second, La Belle Dame Sans Merci is the poem composed by John Keats. Poem third, Charge of the Light Breeze is written by Alfred Lord Tennyson. Poem fourth, How Much Do I Love Thee is written by Elizabeth Browning. Poem fifth, Afterwards is composed by Thomas Hardy. Poem sixth, The Ballad of Father Gilligan is written by W.B. Yeats. Poem 7th, If is written by Rudyard Kipling. Poem 8th is A Slum of Life is written by Henry Longfellow. This is the poetry section for TYBA English Compulsory prescribed by Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune. The second component for your syllabus is language component. In language component, we have to study 4 different types of sections. In it, first one is transformation of sentences. There are 4 types of sentences for your syllabus. Number 1, declarative sentences. Number 2, interrogative sentences. Number 3, imperative sentences. Number 4, exclamatory sentences. In section 2, an introduction to communication skill, In this, we have to study defining communication. Number 2, the process of communication. Number 3, verbal and non-verbal communication. And number 4, tips for effective communications. The next segment in the language component is presentation skills. Again, in it, we have to study 5 topics. Number 1 is kinds of presentation. Number 2, structuring content. Number 3, visual aids. Number 4, the language of presentation. Number 5, making a presentation. In the last segment, that is introduction to soft skills, we have to study 6 different types of soft skills. Number 1 is leadership skills. Number 2, teamwork skills. Number 3, time management. Number 4, goal setting. Number 5, stress management. And last, number 6 is positive attitude. This is the syllabus that we have to study in TYBA English compulsory. Now, I will mention you the term-wise division of the syllabus. What components are there in the term first and what components are there in the term second for your syllabus. Look at this. In term first, we have to study in literature component first 4 proses, that are Uncle Podger Hangs a Picture by Jerome K. Jerome. Number 2, How Wealth Accumulates and Man Decay by G.B. Shaw. Number 3, Retrieved Information by Jimmy Valentine. And number 4, How Much Land Does a Man Need by Leo Tolstoy. These 4 projects are there for your examination point of view, on which you have to prepare. Again, in the literature component for the term first, in poetry section, we have to study first 4 poems, and that 4 poems are All the Words is a Stage by William Shakespeare, La Belle Dame Sans Merci by John Keats, Charles of the Light Bridge by Alfred Lord Tennyson, and How Much Do I Love Thee by Elizabeth Browning. These 4 poems are there for your syllabus in the term first. In language component, we have to study in the term first the transformation of sentences. As I earlier mentioned, in transformation of sentences, there are 4 different types of sentences for the term first for your syllabus in FYBA English compulsory. What are those types of sentences? Number 1 is declarative sentences. Number 2, interrogative sentences. Number 3, imperative sentences. Number 4, exclamatory sentences. Again, in language component for the term first for your syllabus is an introduction to communication skills. In communication skills for the term first, we have to study 4 types of communication skills. Number 1 is defining communication. Number 2, the process of communication. Number 3, verbal and non-verbal communication. And number 4, tips for effective communication. This is the syllabus for TYBA English compulsory. The structure of entire syllabus as well as the term-wise division of the syllabus has been given by me to all the students of our college through this lecture. I hope all the students will definitely thoroughly go through this syllabus and will avail the good marks in their examination. In the next lecture, we will start to study one of the topics from your syllabus. In this very first lecture, I think it is enough for our students to go through the syllabus of their FYBA English compulsory. Thank you. Thank you once again.